Ever wondered how to boost your clinic's visibility on Google? Today we'll be diving into 10 practical strategies to master the art of SEO for your clinic. Our first strategy is keyword research. Begin by identifying keywords that are pertinent to your clinic's specialties and services. Utilizing tools like Google Keyword Planner can help identify the most searched keywords in your industry. The second strategy is all about quality. Creating informative and engaging content that answers your patients' questions is key. Remember, high-quality content doesn't just attract more visitors, it also boosts your search engine rankings. Next, optimize your website. A user-friendly website with relevant keywords in the page titles, meta descriptions, and alt tags is a must. And don't forget to ensure your website loads quickly and is mobile-friendly. Our fourth strategy involves building backlinks from authority websites. By establishing partnerships with reputable healthcare professionals and organizations, you can publish guest posts and obtain valuable backlinks. For those serving a local community, the fifth strategy is to optimize for local search. Include your location and contact information on each page and register your clinic on Google My Business. The sixth strategy calls for utilizing online directories. Listing your clinic in directories like Yelp, Healthgrades, and Vitals can significantly increase your online visibility. Being active on social media is our seventh strategy. Engage with your audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter by sharing valuable content, patient testimonials, and updates. Next, make sure to monitor and analyze your website's performance. Regular checkups with Google Analytics can help you identify which strategies are working and which need adjustment. Our ninth strategy is to encourage patient reviews. Positive reviews can greatly enhance your online reputation, so don't hesitate to ask satisfied patients to leave reviews on platforms like Google and Yelp. Lastly, keep up with SEO trends. Staying updated with the latest SEO trends and algorithms is critical to maintaining your clinic's visibility on Google. And there you have it, 10 proven strategies to boost your clinic's visibility on Google. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks to grow your clinic's online presence.